Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi barakatuhu. Today we are going to start matrices. Okay. Now matrix. Singular form of matrices is matrix. What is matrix? A matrix is a rectangular array or a square array also of numbers which are called its entries or members or elements also, its elements. Example, we are taking here a matrix 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is a rectangular. Why? Because it has, this is called row 1, this is called row 2, and this is called column 1, this one is called column 2, this is called column 3. So, we write dimension of this as first row we have to write, then columns we have to write. M by n, we have to pronounce this as M by n, where M is rows, n is columns. Okay. So, it has 2 rows. So, the dimensions are 2. First we have to write number of rows, that is 2. Then we have to write columns 3. So, this matrix, let it is be A. A matrix is, dimension of A matrix is 2 by 3. We have to pronounce this into as 2 by 3. It gives only, it is not a product, it gives the just dimension of the matrix, how many rows and how many columns this matrix has. So, B we are taking, suppose X, Y, P, Q. Here 1 row, 2 rows and 2 columns, column 1, column 2. So, it is R by C, means rows first we have to write row, 2 rows and 2 columns. So, this is called, this is a rectangular form. So, it is a rectangular matrix and this is a square matrix, or we call it as rectangular matrix, in which dimensions are not equal, they are called rectangular. Okay. In a dimensions are equal, then it is a matrix, square matrix. So, like that we can differentiate rows and columns. Horizontal lines are called rows, vertical lines are called columns. We call this dimension as order of matrix also, order of matrix. Dimensions are called order of matrix. Write 2 by 2 matrix C means 2 rows, 2 columns should be there. This called order of the matrix. Suppose 1 CD. This is called order. Order of matrix C is order of matrix. C is 2 by 2. 2 by 2, that is. Like that, this B is also 2 by 2 order. A is called 2 by 3. 3 by 2 matrix, write a matrix whose order is 3 by 2, means we have to write 3 columns, 3 rows should be there, 1, 2, 3, like this we have to follow. This is our, this 1 row, 2 row, 3 rows, 2 columns, 3 by 3 suppose we are taking. So, 3 columns also there, 1, 2, 3. If 3 by 2 means what you have to do? You have to write only 3 rows, 1, 2, 3 rows and 2 columns only. This is 3 by 2, this is also 3 by 3, this is 3 by 2. Okay. So, just seeing the order we can say that how many rows it has, how many columns this matrix have. Now, this is called element, first element, second, third, fourth, like that. Still we can write this as 1 belongs to what? First row, first column. So, ij, if you take ij, I is indicates row number, I is what? 1, j is what here for this? Again 1, first row, first column, 1 belongs to first row, first column. Now, write the element of second row, second column. Second row, second column. Second row, second row numbers are 2, 5, 6, but second column number is this. So, 5 is what? 5 is ij is what? That is I equal to here second row. Second row, yes, 5 belongs to second row. Second column, also second column, first column, second column, this. So, 5 is a element of 2 by 2, 2 means first row, first column, 2 means second row, second column, 2 3 means 2 second row, third column number, where is that? 6, second row, third column number is 6. So, each letter like that, A is a number belongs to ij column, I and j is from this only we have to take, order of this is there, in between you have to take, this is called 1, I is 1, j is 1, I is 1, j is 2, I is 1, j is 3, I is 1, I is 2, j is 1, I is 2, j is 2, I is 2, j is 3, third column j. It is for this low row, I is 3, 3, 3, but j is what? j1, j2, j3, like that we can separate the elements. Now, types of matrices. Okay, types of matrices. First one is rectangular, we have already done na. Rectangular matrix means what? A matrix in which number of rows are not equal to number of columns. Number of rows not equal to number of columns. That means it may be like this. Example, this is there. So, it has 2 rows but 3 columns. So, this is called matrix. Again we can write a matrix like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also 1, 2, 3, 3 rows, 2 columns. So, R, number of R is not equal to number of C columns also. Here also number of R not equal to number of C. 3 is not equal to 2, 2 is not equal to 3, that is why it is called matrices. We can write 1, 2, 3 also. Here see this, 1 row, 1, 2, 3 columns. All these are the examples of. This is also there, 1, 2, 3, 3 rows, 1 column. So, all these are called, rectangular matrices. Now, row matrix, the name itself showing that which type of matrix it is, row matrix. Row matrix means what? It should have only 1 column, then it is called row matrix. A matrix consisting of a matrix consisting of only 1 row with any number of columns is called row matrix. Single row matrix is called row matrix. Single row matrix is called row matrix. Example, take here 1, 2, 3, only one row but 3 columns, 1, 2, 3, 3 columns. Due to one row we can write, we can give name as row matrix, okay. This is row matrix R. Now second example, A, B, C, D, E, only one row is there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. Still due to one row, this is called row matrix. Example again we can take A, B, C, D, dot 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 Z. Again one matrix but alphabets are 26. So each alphabet is as in a column. So the 26. Again this is called row matrix. So a single row matrix is called row matrix. We are not going to consider the columns. How many? It has one only, it has one also, it has two also, it has three also, two also there. So 1, 2. So this is also 1, 2. One row, two columns. All are called row matrix. Okay. 1 by 1 is also 1 by 1 is also row matrix. If you consider as row, it is a row matrix, or otherwise especially this goes to column also. So we want to indicate 1 by 1 matrix, that is row matrix. So all these are the row matrix, example of row matrix. Now column matrix. Column matrix. The name it indicates, it is a matrix consisting on only matrix consisting of only one column is called column matrix. Okay, column matrix. That is example we are taking here 1, 2, 3. Number of rows are 3, but column is 1. Column is 1. Second example, A, B, C. Again 3 rows, 1 column. So it is called column matrix. Example, A, B, C, D up to Z. Here A to Z 26 elements. So it makes 26 rows and 1 column. Again this is also a column matrix. The name itself shows the which type of matrix it is. Okay. Now square matrix. Any matrix whose rows are equal to columns is called a square matrix. Number of rows equal to number of columns, then it is a square matrix. Okay, number of rows equal to. So we are taking 1. Here 1 by 1 square matrix. If we are taking 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 2 rows, 2 columns, again 2 same. Number of R equal to number of C. Here also number of R equal to number of C. 2 by 2 square matrix. If you are writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many rows are there? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 rows, 3 columns. Again this is also a square matrix. Okay. These are the example of square matrix. 4 by 4, 5 by 5, 6 by 6, all are called square matrix. Now null matrix. Null matrix what? All if all the elements in a matrix are each equal to 0. So, that is called zero matrix or null matrix. Example, each and every element should be 0, 0, 0, 0. 2 by 2 null matrix, 2 by 2 null matrix, 2 rows 2 columns null matrix. If 1 0 is there, 1 by 1 null matrix. If all 3 zeros are there, 3 rows and 3 columns, 3 by 3 null matrix, or it should be a rectangular also, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, that here 2 rows 3 columns null matrix. We can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 like these zeros, all 8 zeros. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 rows and 2 columns. This is also a null matrix. Null matrix means each and every element should be 0, then only it is called null matrix. Principal diagonal matrix. Principal diagonal matrix is a matrix in which we have a number or any number on diagonal, and it is also a square matrix. Always it is a square matrix. If we are taking 3 by 3 like this, so this is called a principal diagonal matrix. If you take this diagonal, so it is not a principal diagonal matrix. Principal diagonal matrix means first element of first row first column to the last element of last row last column we have to take in this direction. Okay, ij should be less to last a I j, like this we have to follow the last column. Last column here, suppose n value is 1, n value is, if n value is 1, here n value is last, okay, up to n. So, 1 to n, I to j, like that we have to follow. This principle is called principal diagonal matrix. This is 3 by 3 principal diagonal matrix. 1 0 0 1, this is also a 2 by 2 matrix. Any number is also possible. If you take 2 2 2 0 0 0 0 2 zeros, okay, like this. So, this is also a 3 by 3 and principal diagonal numbers are there. So, we can take we can write any matrix in this form is known as a principal diagonal matrix. Especially this matrix is called identity matrix. Why? Because all elements of principal diagonal is 1, then it is called identity matrix. Again we are taking this matrix 5 0 6 0 6 5 9 3 4 5. Again this is there, same numbers are repeating on this one or not repeated also. If you consider this, so it is called principal diagonal matrix, okay, principal diagonal matrix. Now, unit matrix. What is unit matrix? A matrix whose principal diagonals are 1 1, other are 0. This is called a principal diagonal. Na? This 0 1 0 0 1 is 2 by 2 identity matrix or identity matrix, or we call it as a multiplicative identity matrix also. 3 by 3 is there, 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is called 3 by 3 multiplicative identity matrix. 3 by 3, like that 4 by 4, 2 by 2, all possibles. Okay, these are the. Now another type is transpose of matrix. Transpose of matrix. What is this? The matrix obtained by the interchanging the rows and the columns is called transpose matrix. Example, what is interchange? Interchange of rows to column, or columns to rows, or vice versa, that is column to rows. Columns to rows or rows to columns is known as transpose matrix. Suppose A is, and it is indicate A is a matrix, then transpose of this is transpose of A. A is what? A of T. T indicates the transportation of matrix A. Okay, so we are considering this example. Now take A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the numbers 7, 8. Now this is also a 3 by 3, whatever is there order. Now transpose of this is what? Now we are going to change this row as a column, first row as a first column, 1, 2, 3. Now elements of this change to elements of column. Second row 4, 5, 6. Second row change to, this is first column, this is second change to second column, third change to third column. So this is there 7, 8, 9. This is called transpose of a AT matrix. AT matrix. T indicates transportation have done by A, matrix A. And you have to remember that A is not equal to transpose of A. Okay, why? Because element change. Here 1 equal to 1, but 2 is not equal to 4. Here see 1 is equal to 1, here 4 is there, here 2. Why? Because 2 belongs to what? Second column of first row and first column, first row second column, where 4 belongs to here 4 is there at that place, 4 and 2 are not equal to first second. So these two are not equal. Okay, due to interchanging they are not equal. So we can say that A is not equal to transpose of A. Each and every element should be equal, then only equal matrix, or otherwise they are not equal matrix. Now equality of matrices. Two matrices are equal if they are of same order and the corresponding elements are equal. We just see this example. Matrix A is there, 1, 2, 3, 4. Its order is 2 by 2, 2 rows, 2 columns. Again one matrix take B, 1, 2, 3, 4. This order is again 2 by 2. Order is same. Order of A is equal to order of B. That is 2 by 2. Each are 2 by 2. Now see the elements. One corresponding elements, 1, 1, same, 2, 2, same, 3, 3, 3, 3, same, 4, 4, same. That means this belongs to, one belongs to where? First column and first row, first column. This belongs to first row, second column. Here also first row, second column. This is for second row, first column, these both here also same. Now this second row, second column. So each and every element of that columns and rows are equal, that is why they are called A is equal to B, matrix A equal to matrix B. Matrix of order 2 by 2 is equal to B 2 by 2. Order and each element are equal, then we call it as equal matrices. Now consider this example. A 1 2 3 4. Order is this. B we are taking 1 2 3 4. This also order 2, but see that order is same. Order of A is equal to order of B, but these are not equal matrix. A is not equal to B. Why? Because elements are not equal. Here 2, order of 2, element 2 is not equal to 3, and 3 is not equal to this element. Why? Because this belongs to first row, I equal to 1, j equal to 2. Here I equal to first and j equal to 2. The elements are not same. 2 3 3 2, they are not equal. So we can say that 4 is their same, but these two, any one number is not equal, so their matrix is not equal matrices. Okay. So this way we can understand we can compare the equality of matrices. Now symmetric matrix. What is symmetric matrix? Remember that all square matrix may be symmetric matrix, but other matrices are not symmetric matrices. Rectangular are not a symmetric matrices. In symmetric matrices, all matrices we will get is square one. Order is same, then only it may symmetric or other matrices, but the order should be 2 by 2, n by n, n by n, m by m. What that is means what? They are square in form. Okay. Now symmetric matrix, they take a square matrix. That's why we have to writing here square. Square matrix A is called symmetric. Symmetric if A equal to transpose of A. A equal to transpose of A. We know that A is not equal to transpose of A. If A equal to itself, transpose of A equal to itself A, then we call A is a symmetric matrix. A is called a symmetric matrix. Now take this example. We are taking example of this one. Be careful and compare that. Suppose A is a matrix 2 minus 4 minus 4 3. Now transpose of A is what? Interchange it. Interchange. We can write this row as 1. This is our row. I am writing as column 2 minus 4, and this is our second row. I am writing second column. Okay. This is our second row. I am going to write as second minus 4 3. So 2 2 4 4 minus 4 minus 4 3 3. 2 2 minus 4 minus 4 minus 4 minus 4 3 3. Each and every element is equal. So A equal to A transpose. When this happened, so A is called symmetric matrix. A is called symmetric matrix. So this way we can compare the matrices. Now skew symmetric matrix. Okay, skew symmetric. What? A square. Again we have to write a square. Square means 2 by 2. Order should be same. Order of matrix that is rows and columns should be same. So a square matrix A is called skew symmetric. Skew is added here. We know symmetric matrix. If it is skew, what is that? If it is skew means A should be equal to minus of A transpose with negative sign. If transpose equal to A matrix A, then it is called skew matrix. Skew matrix. So, A is called a skew matrix if we take the transpose and negative of the transpose is equal to the same matrix A, then it is called skew matrix. We are considering one example here. You can write example also. A is there. What is that? 0, minus 2, 2 and 0. Suppose this is here matrix 2 by 2 matrix or any. If you take, now take this transpose first. If you take transpose, what happened? This will be 0, first row change to this one and this goes to this way. First row here, first column it has done become second row change to second column, okay, this way. But see this 0, 0. Plus minus 2 is there, here plus 2, here plus is there, here minus, here is 0. If you take negative of this one, negative of transpose, what is negative? You have to multiply with minus, minus into 0, 0, minus minus, minus into plus 2, minus 2, minus into minus, this become plus, and 0, negative 0 is not there, so it is always 0. So, we got this. Again this is nothing but A, this matrix is A. Therefore, A equal to minus of A, transpose of A, then A is called skew symmetric matrix, skew symmetric matrix. Diagonal matrix we have already done. Any number can be taken in place of principal diagonals, but all numbers should be 0. So, it is called specially a diagonal matrix. Suppose we are taking 2, 3, 5, other numbers are like this. So, this is called a diagonal matrices, and this is also a square form only, they are also a square form. Now, very important one is there, if all these are 1, so they are called identity matrix. We have done that also like this. Especially we call it as identity matrix. This is diagonal, this is also diagonal, but identity matrix if all are 1. Next one is scalar matrix. What is a scalar matrix? A matrix whose principal diagonals values are same. Example I am giving here. Suppose we are taking 5, 0, 0, 0, 5, 0, 0, 0, 5. If you see these numbers all same, so they are called scalar matrix, and that will be, we can write that number, take out common, so we will get a identity. In this one this is not possible, here it is possible, that is why it is called a scalar quantity, a scalar matrix. This is called a scalar matrix. If you multiply again you will get this. Here if you multiply 2 is there, not 3, 5. So, whenever you get a number into identity matrix, a number into identity matrix is you call it as a scalar matrix. A single number into identity matrix gives a scalar matrix. So, all diagonal principal elements should be same and all others are 0, then only it is called a scalar matrix. Now, addition of matrices. Addition of matrices. Only one thing you have to remember there, if order of same matrix can be added, order of same matrices can be added, okay. If order is not same, we cannot add the matrix. Take example A, 1, 2, 3, 4, B, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here order is 2 by 2, this also order is 2 by 2. Now order of O of A, that is order of A equal to order of B. Then only we can add. Addition is very simple. Addition of this matrix, see with example, you have to add each and every element of same row and same column. You have to add same row, same elements. Here first row, first element. Here first row, first element should be added. 1 plus 5. This is first row, second column. First row, second column added to first row of second column number, that is 6. Second row, first column 3 is going to be added in second row, first column, that is 7. Second row, second column element is going to add in second row, second column. So like this we will get the same order matrix. This is also 6, this is 8, this one is 10, okay, this is 12. Order of this matrix also same, 2 by 2. So if order is same, then elements of particular column and row and column elements should be added. So this rule, if you follow this rule, we can add and we get the sum matrix. This is a sum matrix of A and B. Okay. Now P is a matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Order is what? 1, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 2 column. If Q is also like that, A, B, C, D, E, F. Now order 1, 2, 3, 3 rows, yes. 1, 2, 2 columns, yes, we can add it. P plus Q is a sum matrix. We have to write like that. This plus A, B, C, D, E, F. Both order same, and now we are going to add first number to first, okay, over. Second should be added in second. This plus C, 4 plus D, 5 plus E, and 6 plus F. So this is 3 by 2, this also 3 by 2, we got also 3 by 2, first row, second row, third row, first column, second column. So this is 3 rows, 2 columns. Again this is alphabets, that is why we have to keep alphabet number as it is with plus sign. Why? Because plus is there. 1 plus A or A plus 1, 3 plus C or C plus 3, anyhow you can write, but this is a P plus Q for matrix or some matrix of A, P, Q. If order is not same, then we cannot do. Take one X matrix is there, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 4, 2 by 2 matrix. Why we are taking as a matrix? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 1, 2, 3, 3 rows, 2 columns. Now can we add this? See, if we are going to add 2 plus 1, okay, other one is 1 plus 2, okay, 3 plus 4, 3 plus 3, okay, 4 plus 4, 4 plus 4. What about these two? So these two are not there. So we cannot write this matrix. We cannot add the matrix. Why? Because order is not same. Order of X matrix is not equal to order of Y matrix. That is why addition or sum is impossible. Now subtraction of matrices. Subtraction of matrices similar to addition only. Okay, only negative sign is difference, all thing order is same, then only it is possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Order is what? 1, 2. 2 rows, 1, 2, 3, 3 columns. So B should be same. Okay, we are taking this 2, 6, 7, 1, 3, 2. Again 2 rows, 1, 2, 3 columns, 2 rows, 3 columns. Order is same? Yes, order of A equal to order of B. Subtraction possible. Okay, possible. Subtraction is possible now. Possible. So what we have to do, again we can take minus. A minus B means we have to write A matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minus 2, 6, 7, 1, 3, 2. Take first element, subtract the same order element. 1, 1, it is also 1, 1. 1 row, 1 column element, 1 row, 1 column element, 1 row, 2 column element, 1 row, 2 column element, 1 row, 3 column element, 1 row, 3 column element. Like that we have to take 1 minus 2, 2 minus 6, 3 minus 7. Next column, second column first row, second column first row element, 5 second column second row element. Here 3 is there, so 3 subtracted. 6 minus 2 is there, so same order. Now 1 minus 2 not possible, 2 minus 1 is 1, negative sign. This also same, negative sign with 4. 2 minus 6 not there, 6 minus 2 possible, 4 with greater number sign. Here 3 minus 7 is minus of 4, 4 minus 1 is 3, 5 minus 2 is 2, 5 minus 3 is 2, 6 minus 2 is 4. So you got this, and the order is again, order of these are what we have written this na. So this also 1, 2, 2 rows, 1, 2, 3 columns, 2 by 3 matrix. So in this one also you will get same, and subtraction is nothing but addition of negative matrix. A minus B is nothing but A plus minus of B. Remember that addition with a negative sign is called subtraction. If you put the negative sign for B, add the matrix, you will get this answer only. So this is a point to remember that. Okay, and addition of matrices, A plus B equal to B plus A. Okay, this is called, in matrices these are same. Closure property exist. Okay, and if 3 matrices also there, this is also happen. Add B plus C, then add C, or otherwise take the sum of B plus C, add with A, you will get same. Symmetric addition is a cumulative property. Again A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. Anyhow you add, you will get the results. But A minus B is not equal to B minus A, since minus difference is there. So these are not equal. These are equals, these are not equal. If A minus B is nothing but minus of A plus B, A minus B, then they are equal. This is correct condition for matrices. This is a correct condition for matrices. A plus B, B plus A, yes, possible. Or if you add A, B first and then add C, you will get same result. Add B plus C in this sum, you have to add A, you will get same. A minus B is not equal to B minus A in matrices, but A minus B is negative of, A minus B is negative of minus of, we can write this is also B minus A, sorry, B minus A. A minus B, if you take B minus A, B minus A, negative of B minus A, this is your condition, or otherwise you can write like this. Okay, minus B is there now, so first put minus B A, this is there. Why? Because if you multiply you will get this only, minus B minus minus plus A. So this is correct, This is correct, but this one is wrong. A minus B is not equal to B minus A due to sign only. If you take a sign common, A minus B equal to B minus A with this sign. So, remember these properties. Now, some properties are there. K into A plus B matrix. K is any real number. K is any real number. Then Ka plus Kb. K into A minus B is equal to K of A minus K of B. Again, K is any real number, a single number we can multiply. And here A plus 0 equal to 0 plus A minus 0 equal to 0 minus A. These are not equal, you have to write. Why? Because sign change. So, this is there, this equal, this not equal. D. Here 0 is what? A 0 matrix, you can take as a 0 matrix or single element 0 also. So, these are the special property. Here 0, these and these 0 are 0 matrix, or you can take a 0 directly you can subtract, but always we have to 0 means we have to take a matrix, then we have to do calculations if it is there. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, see this order, again you have to write the 0 matrix of this order only. What order is there, you have to follow that order. 1 plus 0 1, 2 plus 0 these 3 4. So, you will get same order matrix 2 by 2 here, this is 2 by 2, this is 2 by 2, that is why it is also 2 by 2. A plus 0 and 0 plus A is also again that number only, 0 0 0 0 plus 1 2 3 4, you will get that values only. What is that? 1 2 3 4. Okay, this is the method 2, and this is the values. This is a special properties of matrices you have to remember. Thank you.